Welcome back to the Genesis mission. As promised, today I'm here to present you with the 13th of 92 biotech stocks that are showing powerful signs of a potential breakout. But before we move forward, I do need to reiterate that this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal trade ideas, and I strongly encourage that you do your own research. Now, before we move on to today's pick, I wanted to go over a past example to show you that this monthly trendline break strategy is not 100% foolproof. This is why we always use stop losses. Take a look at this chart from Puma Biotech, PBYI. The monthly trendline broke back in November 2020, which looked like a perfect setup. A good entry back then would have been about $12 a share. But instead of running, it failed and eventually dove to lows of $1.60 in the years following. To this day, it's still down almost 50%. This is exactly why we must protect our downside. With that out of the way, here is today's pick. AtaiBeckley, ticker symbol ATAI. So what does Atai actually do? In simple terms, this is a newly formed giant resulting from the merger of Atai Life Sciences and Beckley Psytech. They are aiming to fix the biggest problem with psychedelic medicine: time. While traditional psychedelic treatments can require 6 to 8 hours in a clinic, their lead nasal spray, BPL-003, is designed to work in just 90 minutes, making it scalable for real-world healthcare. The company is funded all the way into 2029, and the major catalyst is the start of their phase 3 trial for this nasal spray, expected to begin in Q2 2026. Moving on to Atai's chart. This one looks prime at these levels. My research suggests that we are in the beginning stages of a massive trend reversal. As you can see, the long-term trend line finally broke back in April 2023. Since then, the stock spent over a year consolidating between $1 and $2.50. It finally broke out of this range last July, but has since pulled back to retest that level. I believe the stock will see significant momentum as soon as it breaks above $7. If you're looking at an entry under $4, risk management remains key. I am watching the $2 level, and a daily close below that would signal a failed setup, and I would exit until the stock can prove itself again. However, if this support holds, my technical targets are $10 within the next 12 months and potentially $14 within the next 24 months. With that said, thank you for your time. Please remember to like and subscribe so you can be notified when I put out the next biotech play. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next chart.